Yeah.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm fixing the car. What are you doing? Well, hey folks, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the old 2004 GMC Envoy. So quick follow-up on my short video from yesterday. What's the quick follow-up? I figured out what the problem was. So let me walk you through the diagnosis that we did, and I'll explain to you how we're going to fix that misfire. So first things first, I just want to show you guys, obviously this is the engine. You've got cylinders 1 through 6, and the code reader that I was using last night showed that we had a misfire on cylinder number 4, which is the fourth one back from the front. So what I did first, just took everything off, took the air resonator off, I cleaned out my throttle body, there you go, nice and clean, and then took out the old ignition coil, which is right here, and you know, as you can see, it's not terribly in bad shape. And I know there are, well, it's, you know, it doesn't look like it's in bad condition. There's not much corrosion on the contact side of it or on the actual electrical connector side. And I know there are ways, you know, to test these, to kind of bench test these as far as resistance goes. But an even simpler test, what I did was I swapped my third and fourth coil pack, and then restarted the car, and then waited for a check engine light. So, and then here is my Torque Pro app that I was using, and as we went through on the video yesterday, I was getting a check engine light, and that check engine light was showing me that I had a misfire on cylinder number 4. So as I said, I swapped the coil packs from 3 and 4, reran the motor, and then went into the sensor, all the sensors on the car, and then as you can see here, hopefully you can see, it was giving me misfire on cylinder number 3. I had 118 misfires on that particular cycle. Alright, so with that quick diagnosis, I was confident that the coil pack on number 4 was bad, simply by switching them back and forth, and then checking the app to see where my misfires were. So, what do you got to do to fix it? I just went up to my local car parts store, and in this case happened to be O'Reilly Auto Parts, and they had this Blue Streak coil pack in stock, and it is a direct OEM-esque replacement. So we're just going to replace the coil pack, fire it back up, and that should, fingers crossed, fix the problem. Yeah. Alright guys, moment of truth. I got the new coil pack in. Now let's get it started up and see if we've got that really loud exhaust sound or if it is smoothed out and everything is okay. Alright, so that sounds a lot better. Now let's check the app. Just wanted to check all the misfire codes, see if we got anything going on here. So again, you know, this is not a product placement for any of these products here, but I just really like using this Bluetooth Panlong OBD2 scan tool, because as you can see, it just gives me a live readout of all of my misfires. And so let's go back up here to cylinder 1. Hopefully it'll turn green. Come on. Nothing up there. Okay. So cylinder 2, 3, 4, and 6. You know, cylinder 3 was the one we were showing the misfire on earlier. So now no misfires. Everything is good. We fixed that problem. Alright guys, so that seemed like an easy enough fix. I hope if you guys are watching this video, it is as simple for you as it was for me, just to simply replace that coil pack. If not, there may be other issues with your car, maybe a bad injector or the actual wiring is messed up. But anyway, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, be sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you hadn't done so already. I appreciate all you guys for stopping by the channel. And if there are any GM executives watching this video, I just want to say thank you for the 312,000 miles on this original coil pack. Guys, that's going to do it for this video. As always, thank you for stopping by the channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.